Hey everybody, is the Safariland Glock 17 T2 holster compatible with the Glock 17 Gen 6? If you like my content, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's find out. Nice loud retention click letting you know that it's indexing. Works. Seems like it works. Under pressure, so somebody's trying to pull it out. That's not you. Say somebody's trying to take your sidearm from you. Even if they're pushing the button, won't come out. So whenever you go to draw from this, you want to put a little downward pressure, activate the thumb switch, and then pull it out. Gen 6 Glock 17, older model Glock 17 Safariland holster. Not Safariland. Dang it, what is it? This is not Safariland. This is Blackhawk. Sorry about that, guys. Blackhawk. Safariland, what a retard. But the old Blackhawk holster for the Gen 17 is compatible with the Gen 6 Glock 17. Good retention, positive retention when it goes in. Works like a charm. Hope that helps.